Hey there, want a little more privacy while using YouTube? In this video, I'll walk you through how to stop YouTube from saving your search history on an Android phone. It's a quick setting that can help keep your searches private and prevent YouTube from using them to personalize future recommendations. Begin by opening the YouTube app on your Android device. Once the app loads, tap your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen to access your account settings. Next, tap the Settings option. Inside the Settings menu, select Manage All History. This will open your YouTube activity page where you can control what information Google saves from your YouTube usage. Now, switch to the Controls tab at the top of the screen. Scroll down until you find the option called Include Your Searches on YouTube. This setting determines whether YouTube stores the words and phrases you search for. Tap on that option and a confirmation message will appear explaining the changes. To continue, tap pause. As soon as you confirm, YouTube will stop recording your future searches. This doesn't delete your previous search history, it only prevents new searches from being saved. If you'd like to remove older searches as well, you can do that from the same history management page by selecting the delete option. Keep in mind that disabling search history may affect how YouTube recommends videos or predict search terms, since it won't have your recent searches to learn from. However, it's a great option if privacy is more important to you than personalized suggestions. And that's it. Your YouTube search history is now paused on your Android device. It's a simple change that gives you greater control over your account activity and personal data. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider giving the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more useful Android tips, and let me know in the comments what tutorial you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.